Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find penguin in Heartopia game Winter Frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this season, you'll be able to meet penguin, and then I'm going to show you where you can exactly find the penguin. First, you need to go to the Winter Utopia, and then you're going to go to the Old Sea. And then here is the penguin's trough. And you can fill the trough with the penguin's food. And I've already added the food to the trough, so I can interact with the penguin. And usually the penguins are here. And if you want to interact with them, you just need to click on this icon. And then you're going to feed the penguin. Oh, the penguin doesn't want to play with me. Let's try this penguin. Okay. And yeah, you can interact with the penguin only if you have filled the trough. And for your information, the penguin will leave, guys, as soon as the winter update is over. They will leave. And wait, let me show you when the penguin will leave. Okay, penguin will leave in 18 days. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the penguins in the Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!